Okay, can we start our lesson? Can, yeah?
Can.
Okay, very good. So we start our lesson for today, a very short one. Before we start our lesson for today, I need you to look at the what we call the chapter 8, what we are already learned in chapter 8, lights and optic, one by one, right? Okay, again, we already finished 8.1. Lights and optic already finished. Okay, make sure we remember the usage of mirror, the characteristic of mirror, and the type of mirror. Okay, 8.1 already finished. Right? You still remember the type of mirror? You give me one type of mirror, anybody? One type of mirror.
Plan mirror.
Yes, very good. Plane mirror. Huh? Convex and concave mirror. Okay, 8.2. We go to 8.2. We already learned the properties of light. This is very short topic, short subtopic. I hope you still remember what are the properties of light. And then 8.3, we learn about the reflection of light. Start from 8.3, reflection of light. Make sure you still understand what are the reflection of light, and then what are the incident ray, incident angle, and then reflection angle, and then reflection ray. Okay, and then we are just using one type of mirror in reflection of light. We are just using plain mirror. All right. Okay, 8.4, we also already finished refraction of light. Okay, refraction or the bending of light. Okay, when it's come into two medium. Okay, make sure you can understand what are the reflection and the refraction of light. There are two different phenomena over here. Make sure you understand it, and then we can continue next time, right? And then 8.5, dispersion of light. Dispersion means from white light, okay, white light will turn into how many light? Dispersion, how many light? From white light, it will disperse into how many light? Class?
7.
7 color. Sorry, not light, sorry. Will disperse into 7 color. We call it spectrum. We call it spectrum. All right, spectrum. And then we are using what we call a glass prism. We are using glass prism. What are the color? Make sure you understand and memorize. Red. And then the last one, there's the what we call the and violet. Okay, 7, from red to violet, right? Okay, and then scattering of light also we already finished. All right, scattering of light depend on the position of the sun, whether it is above the head or what we call during the midday or during the sunset or the sunrise. Okay, there is a different in color of the sky, right? Different color in the sky. During the day, the sky look blue, and then during the sunset or during the sunrise, the sky look brown. The sky look reddish or look orangish. Okay, the scattering of light. Okay, so we have already finished 6, what we call 6 subtopic for chapter 8. Okay, make sure you understand the overall topic we learn in chapter 8, and if you have any question, you can always ask me. And then please also finish all my exercises. Okay, so today we're going to learn the last topic for chapter 8 that we call the addition and subtraction of light. Maybe I don't think we can finish the topic for today, but never mind. If I cannot finish the topic for today, I will continue tomorrow lah. Okay. Next, chapter 8.7. This is the subtraction and the addition of light. Okay, are you ready, class? Are you ready?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, right. 8.7 addition and subtraction of light. What we're going to learn, the first thing we need to learn is you try to identify the primary colors, primary colors. Number two, identify the addition of primary colors to produce secondary colors. Okay, when you mix primary colors, it will produce secondary colors. Okay, that is number two. Number three, communicate about the subtraction of light. Subtraction. Subtract mean what? Plus or minus is subtract. Subtract plus or minus? Plus or minus? Subtract. If in mathematics, subtraction mean tolak ke campur?
Minus.
Oh, plus.
Yes, it is minus. Minus. Subtract mean minus. Kamu tolak lah, betul?
Oh, minus.
Okay. And then addition. Addition is what we call plus lah. This is plus. Addition of light and then subtraction of light. Okay. Number four, record the color form on the screen when light passes through color filter. Okay. I supposed to, we have what we call activity, but never mind, I will give you the theory first. Next one, differentiate the addition and subtraction of light. What is the difference between addition and then what is the difference between the subtraction of light? We are learning about lights. Yeah, we are not learning about color on dye or on your what we call watercolor or whatever. Okay, it is not the mix of color substance. We are learning about color in light. Okay, there are two different things, class. Yeah, two different things. We are not talking about mixing the color using the watercolor, for example, or using the banco. You know the banco, when you do the pendidikan seni, you bring the color, right? That is the different things. Okay, we are talking about the addition, and we are talking about the color of light. Yeah, not the color of dye or not the color of the pigment. Not the color from the watercolor. Is not that. All right. And then the last thing is the explain the addition and subtraction of light in daily life with example. Okay, I will try to go into the keywords only over here. Okay. Very easy one, right? Number one, you must identify the primary color. This is the what we call the primary color of light. Yeah? Primary color of light is very easy. We call it R for red, green, and blue for B. RGB. You just remember RGB. Okay. R is red, green is G is green, and then B is blue. Red, green, and blue. This is primary. This is primary color. Okay. Number two, what is the secondary color? Secondary color, if you try to mix, if you try to cross two primary color together, then it will produce a secondary color. We call it, for example, if you mix red and green, it will become yellow. If you try to mix green plus blue, it will become cyan. And then if you try to mix another one, okay, if you try to mix red and blue, it will become magenta. That's all. So what is the primary, what is the secondary color? Secondary color is yellow, cyan, and magenta. Okay, that is the secondary color. And then what happens if you mix all the primary color? Okay, you try to mix all the primary color, red plus green plus blue, you will have white color. You have white color in the middle. Okay, so this is what we call primary color, secondary color. Primary color, how do you produce secondary color, and then primary color. But remember, this is just for lights only. I will try to show you something over here. Where is the real color? Ah, this one. Okay. Right. Open the imaging new tab. Okay, can you see the picture over here, class? Can you see the picture?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay, very good. Right. So this is not the watercolor. We are not using the dye. We are not using the pigment. We are not using the ink, but we are talking about the color. This is these are the what we call. This is the flashlight lah. This is the flashlight. Flashlight. But the flashlight here, for example, this is producing what type of color is this? This is blue bulb. All right, and then this is red one, and then this is RGB. This is green. This is green. When you cross together, for example, here, this is blue color. This is blue color. And then this is green color. Okay, this is green color. So, blue and green will become what? Blue and green? For example, this is the blue color, right? This is the blue, sorry. This is blue color. I will change the color first. Okay, this is blue color. The color is blue over here. Okay. And then, of course, this will become blue color because it will not cross. It will not cross the another light. And then this one is green color. And then what happened to the intersection? The intersection, the crossing or the addition of two different color, primary color will become what? This will become, okay, very good. This will become cyan. Okay, actually this is not blue. Okay, sorry. I will try to use another. This is blue lah. This is blue actually. This is blue, right? Now this is blue. This is blue. And then this is green. Okay, the intersection or the crossing will become cyan. Will become cyan. This is addition of light. We are not mixing to what we call watercolor. That is the another what we call topics. Right? Okay. Again, if what we call this one is red. Okay. This one is red. This one is red. This is red color, or you cannot see it. This one is red color. And then this is green color. So in the middle will become what? Between red and green?
Yellow.
Red and green will become, yes, very good. Yellow, it will become yellow. So this section over here, will become yellow. Okay, make sure you understand what is the green color, primary color, and then the secondary color. The crossing of the color of the primary color will become secondary color. All right. And then, if you mix all light together, what happens? If you mix all light together, it will become?
White.
It will become white. Very easy. Mix three color together, it will become white. Okay. For example, over here, you have red color. Red color from the flashlight. This is red color. And then you have the the green color from the flashlight also, green color. And then also you have the blue color. Maybe my drawing here is not clear. When you mix all the blue and then the green color and then the red color, you cross all the light color together, and then it will become what? It will become white. Okay, the color here will become white. Only for, again, I remind you, only for the lights, L-I-G-H-T. What is the difference? What is different? Okay, I want to ask you whether I think you already do this, huh? Maybe in your primary school. What happened when you mix the watercolor, red, green, and blue? What will happen? It will become what?
Become black.
It will become black. Very good. But in lights, when you do the addition in color light, it will become white. When you do the addition in dye or in pigment, or you use watercolor, you use the bancho watercolor or whatever, it will become black. Okay, you must understand this because we are talking about the addition of light, not the addition of pigment or not the addition of watercolor. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So you must understand what we call the primary color and then the secondary color it produces, right? Okay, that's number one. Okay, this is the formula for color addition. You must remember. I think later on later on I will ask you to draw the timetable inside your exercise book. Never mind. Okay. That is the addition of color, right? Okay, second one, the subtraction of light. Subtraction mean what? Subtraction is the opposite of addition. All right? Okay. Okay. Subtraction of light. 250. How do we see the color of opaque object? You still remember what is the opaque object? The object is not transparent. Yeah? You can see the color. Why do we see banana as yellow, strawberry as red, and leaf as green? We can see banana yellow, and then we can see the color of the object. Okay, and then the light which has the same color as the color of the opaque object will reflect directly into our eyes, while the light of other color will be absorbed by the object. This phenomenon is known as subtraction of light. The color of the object, only the color of the object will reflect into our eye, and then others color will be absorbed by the object. That's why we can see banana. The color of the banana is yellow, not green, not blue, not red. And then how about the strawberry, for example? The ripe strawberry over here, because of the color of the strawberry is red, only the red color will reflect it into our eye so that our eye can see that the object is red in color. How about blue color? How about the green color? The green and blue color will absorb into the object. This is what we call the subtraction of light. Okay, you can see. Right? What are the example over here? Okay. It used the principle of reflection of light. You still remember the reflection of light? Still remember, yeah? It will bounce, the reflect from the opaque object, it will bounce back to our eye. Okay. The color of opaque object depend on the color of the light reflected into our eyes. For example, over here, if the object over here, for example here, if the object is green in color, so only the green color will reflect it into our eye. That's why we can see the object green in color. How about the other color? Absorb or reflect, class? How about the blue color, the red color, the yellow color? Reflect or absorb by the object?
Absorb.
Okay, very good. Yes, very good. Thank you very much. it will absorb by the object. Okay, because of the object color is green, only the green color will reflect into our eye. This is white light. You still remember the dispersion of light? White light consists of how many color? 7 color. Make sure you remember that. We call it spectrum, from violet, from red to violet. Okay. Okay, we see picture number 2. How about yellow object? If the object is yellow, how many color will be reflected into our eye? How many color?
4.
4 or 3?
3.
Okay, make sure you see the picture clearly. Because yellow object is a secondary or primary color? Yellow.
Secondary.
Yes, because of the yellow is the secondary color. So how many color will be absorbed into our how many color reflected into our eye? There will be 3 color. Okay, one is what we call one is green. Where is it? One will be the green color. One will be red color, and then one will be yellow in color. Okay, these 3 color will absorb into the eye. Why yellow is what we call reflect as well? Because of the white light. White light consists of what? White light consists of 7 color, right? In red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Red, this one is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, and indigo. Indigo and violet. Okay, so these 3, only 3 lights will reflected into the eyes so that we can see the object here is yellow. How about the others color? How about the violet, indigo, blue, and then orange, absorb or reflected? This color, violet, yellow. Violet, indigo, blue, and orange. Absorb or reflected? The color absorb or reflect, class?
Absorb.
Okay, very good. The color will be absorbed. All right. Okay, next one. Okay, this one, very easy. If white object, all of the color light will be reflected into the eye. That's why we can see the object, the color of the object is white. Can Boleh white object
Boleh.
very easy lah. Okay, very good. Okay, so next one. Okay, what happened for the black object? Black object, it will absorb all the color in white light. All the color in white light will be absorbed by the black object. That's why we can see the object is black in color. Because there is no light reflected into our eyes, so the object will become black in color. Is it okay?
Okay.
Can Okay, very good. So what's the time now? 11. Okay, I will continue. Just a bit more. Wait a second. All right. Usually, we are using color filter to understand the principle of subtraction. Color filter is just a piece of plastic with color. For example, I will show you the picture over here. In order to more understand, we are using color filter. Light color filter. It's just a piece of plastic, actually. For example, this one. Color filter. For example, this one. Okay, I will show you the image. Just a piece of plastic or glass that has the different color. This is color filter. All right. There are many type of color filter lah. Okay, there are green color, orange color, yellow, green, blue, violet, and cyan, and whatever. Okay, this is the color filter. Okay, for example, the light usually come from the sun is how many color in sunlight? White light, right? It has white light. So how to say like this? Okay, wait. So how we want to what we call separate the white light? We can use the light filter like this. Okay. Again, there are two type of color filter. There are primary color filter. Primary color filter, very easy. Red filter, green filter, and blue filter. Okay. When white lights come over here, for example, I just give it a zoom. White light can or cannot go through the red filter. Can or cannot? You look over here, class. You try to look over here. This one, this one, number one, red filter over here. White light can or cannot go through or penetrate the red filter. Can go through or cannot go through?
Cannot.
Can or cannot? Red only, we use red filter, so only the red light can go through. How about the others white? The others light will be reflected or will be absorbed?
Absorb.
Will be absorbed. Yes, very good. Only the red light can go through the red filter if you are using white light as a sources of light. Sources of light is white, and then if you're using a red filter, only the red light will go through the red filter. Same things when you use green filter and blue filter. Only the green light will go through the green filter. Okay. How about others? How about red light? How about orange, blue light? It will be absorbed. Okay. And then same thing when you are using blue filter, only the blue lights will penetrate the blue filter. This is when you are using the primary filter, primary color filter, that is red, green, and blue. You must understand, class, you must understand, white light consists of how many color? 7 color. This one, white light is 7 color. Okay, white light. So when it reach the filter, so only blue light can be what we call go through only the blue light. The others light will become absorbed. Okay. Again, this is opaque object or transparent object. This one, opaque or transparent object over here. Class, opaque object or transparent object. This one. Opaque or transparent?
Transparent.
Okay, good. This is transparent object. Transparent object meaning that the light can go through the filter. The light can go through the filter, but only specific light. Okay. Example again. I will show you again example. Okay. We have white light over here. I just give you using the pen over here. Never mind. Wait. Spectrum. Okay, spectrum of light, spectrum light ray. Okay, never mind. Copy image first, and then I will paste it into here. Is the image? Okay. Okay, again, class, huh? Can I crop this one? How to crop this? Picture, size. Okay, never mind. Right. So this is what we call a spectrum. Yeah, this is the spectrum. Okay, spectrum. We have 7 spectrum of light. So this is white light. White light. Okay, from red to violet. If I use green filter, this is red filter. This is red filter over here. The red filter is red in color. Okay, and then what happened to the what we call? I just draw it. Make sure you can understand this only lah. We have green, and then we have yellow. We have green, blue, violet, and indigo. Okay, never mind. We have red, right? And then orange. And then after orange, what class? After orange?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay, after yellow, this one. You can see the color over here. After yellow?
Green.
Green. And then? Blue.
Blue.
And then?
Indigo.
Indigo and?
Violet.
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 Okay, very good, very good. All right. So if I only use red filter, I use only red filter. So what are the color light that can pass through the red filter? What are the lights you think? Only
Red light.
Only the red lights. Only the red light can go through the red filter. How about orange, yellow, green, blue, and others light? What happened? Can go or cannot?
Absorb.
It will absorb. Yes, it will absorb by the red filter. It will absorb, and then it will not go through the red filter. Understand this? This is what we call the subtraction of light. Right? If I use, okay, listen here. If I use, I just make some adjustment here. I'm not using red filter. Okay, I'm not using red filter. I am using yellow filter. Okay, I am using yellow filter. Yeah? Okay, what do you think the light will go through the yellow filter? What are the lights you think? I'm using the yellow filter over here. Okay, I'm using the yellow filter. And then, what are the lights that can pass through or can penetrate the yellow filter? Red can or cannot?
Can.
Okay, red can.
Yellow.
Yellow can or cannot?
And
Yeah, yellow also can. And then another one is?
green.
Green. Okay, so red can pass through. Yellow, of course, can pass through because the same color. And then green also can pass through. Okay, I just draw the the arrow lah for you to understand it clearly. Okay, so for yellow filter, 3 color are allowed to pass through. Red, yellow, and green. Okay, red, yellow, and green. Okay, another thing, if I modify this thing, okay, I modify again. I am using another screen over here. I am using another screen. So this screen will become green filter. I add another screen over here. It will become green filter. Okay. So red, sorry. Yeah. So this is red. Sorry, apa ini? Redo. Okay. So this is red. This is yellow. And then this is green. So my question is, what are the color can go through the green filter? The second filter, filter number, this is the first filter, and then this is the second filter. Okay. What happened here? What color can go through the green filter right now?
Green. Green light.
Only green? How about red? Red can go through or cannot?
Cannot. Cannot.
Red. Okay, very good. Red cannot go through. Okay. How about yellow? Can go through or cannot?
Cannot.
Yellow also. Yellow can go through or cannot?
Cannot.
Yellow. Sure, cannot. Okay, red cannot go through. Yellow can go through or cannot? Okay, you must go back. Because addition of light, red plus green will become yellow, right? Red plus green, red plus green will become yellow. Okay, yes, all right. So red cannot go through. Yellow can go through. Again, wait. Green also, okay. Green no problem. It can go through because same color. Okay, green can go through, same color. Yellow can or cannot? What do you think?
Cannot.
Yellow also cannot. Yellow also, because how it cannot? Sorry, because red plus green will become yellow. Red plus green will become yellow. So yellow able or not able to penetrate the green filter? Red plus green is yellow. So yellow is primary color or secondary color?
Secondary color.
Yellow is secondary color, right? Okay, never mind. So I think yellow can or cannot? Cannot, Okay, never mind. I will okay, I will try to find the answer later. All right. Okay. So if I add another filter here, this is blue filter, for example. This is blue filter. Okay. So this is very easy lah. What happened? Got color or no? Penetrate from the blue filter. Number 3. This is blue. Blue filter. Blue filter. Blue filter. Number 3. Okay. Can go through or cannot go through from the green? If you use blue filter. Can or cannot?
Cannot.
Okay, very good. Yes, it will cannot go through the blue filter. Okay. So same like this lah. If I show you the textbook, this is when you use this is when you use the secondary filter, secondary color filter, it will be like this. Okay, white light. Okay, white light over here, only red, green and yellow can go through. Red, green and yellow can go through. How about if you use magenta filter? Magenta filter, only blue, lights and magenta can go through. If you use cyan filter, only blue, green and cyan can go through. Depend on the layer lah, because this is only the first layer of filter. If you have second, third, or the second layer, the third layer, you must also identify lah, which color it can go, which color it can go through, and which color light it cannot go through. Right? You understand this?
Yes.
This is what we call the subtraction of light. Okay. You have any question? I think we can stop here. I will continue later. Any question, class?
No.
No question, yeah? Okay, very good. So, if you have any question, you can ask me later, yeah? So tomorrow we also have online class. I will start at 9 in the morning. Okay, 9 a.m. in the morning. So we continue the subtraction and addition of light tomorrow. And then if you have any question also tomorrow we can discuss the question, yeah? Okay, so I will stop here. Where is it? Where is the... Right. Okay, I will stop the class here. See you all again tomorrow lah. Can yeah? 9 a.m. yeah? 9 a.m. I will give you the link later. So, thank you for your focus and what we call participation. Sometimes very hard to to pronounce. See you all again tomorrow, yeah? At 9 a.m. All right, you can leave the class now. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, bye-bye.